Hello, welcome back to Inkscape, and in this part I'm going to explain about exporting our project as an image. So you can use that in another software like Microsoft Word, Writer, Microsoft PowerPoint, or Impress, and so on. So how to export our project as image? First you have to go to File and then find Export PNG Image. Click it. And then you will see this window on the right side of your interface. And here you can see several options: page, drawing, selection, and custom. And I'm going to explain these three. Page means that you will export the whole page, this page. Let me zoom out first. So you will export this page. And let's create some object. So if we use page, the whole page will be exported. And what is drawing? Drawing means that we will export only the objects that we have in our project, these two. While selection, it means that we will export only the object that we select. For example, if I select the rectangle, only the rectangle, so the circle will not be exported. Only the rectangle will be exported. Or you can also select both of them and use selection. You can export both of them. And after you choose the one that you want, click Export As, and you can choose where you want to save, like desktop, and then give it a name, tutorial. Then click Save. And then you can click Export here. Then you can see the file that is exported here, tutorial, this one. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.